Hey everyone, I am Bruce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use HubSpot Marketing. HubSpot Marketing is a part of the larger HubSpot platform. It is designed to help businesses with various aspects like marketing, sales, and customer service. Start by opening app.hubspot.com in your web browser. Once you are on its homepage, click on Contacts from your top left corner. From here, you can access contacts, companies, calls, activity feed, and lists. Right next to it, we have conversations that help us to use inbox, chat flow, snippers, and templates. After that, it provides us with marketing tools including ads, email, landing pages, website, social, SEO, and campaigns. Also, we can design tools and forms from this section. Continue by clicking on Contacts from the Contact section. On this page, you can search contact by using filters: contact owner date, activity date, and lead status. Also, you can add or change advanced filters to search your contacts according to them. Click on Add Filter and then select Filters from this list. Next, you will need to add its details. Once done, it will be added to your page. You can create, send, and track email campaigns through HubSpot Marketing. This includes tools for designing emails, segmenting email lists, and analyzing campaign performance. HubSpot provides a CMS that enables users to create and manage website content, including landing pages, blog posts, and other web pages. So, go to Marketing and select Landing Page. After that, continue with Get Started. Add your page name and click on Create Page. Next, select a template to continue. HubSpot provides different templates that you can easily use for your landing page. Once you have selected a template, it is time for editing. From your left panel, access different tools to add customization to this template. You can add modules, sections, and layouts. This template is customizable. You can change text, links, and whatever you want. By doing so, your landing page will be ready. Similarly, you can access different marketing tools from its dashboard. Now let us try creating a form. Click on Create a Free Form and Continue. Here, you will get two options. You can either continue with Help Me Get Started or I will set up myself. First, you need to select what kind of form you would like to create. After that, you can continue with a blank form or a template. For forms, it also provides several templates. Just add the information in this form and click on Submit. It is very easy to generate a form by using HubSpot. You can also choose to add different properties to your form. Once you are done editing it, click on Update to save it. Also, HubSpot offers robust analytics to track the performance of marketing efforts. You can measure the effectiveness of campaigns, analyze website traffic, and gain insights into lead generation and customer engagement. Now we are going to create email. Click on Create Email from your top right, and then you just need to choose the email type. Once selected, choose a template that you want to use in your email marketing. Now it is time for email customization. Make all the necessary changes in your email and use it for your marketing campaign. Click on Settings from the top, and from here, you can change email settings, including name, address, subject line, and others. Add a subject line for it, and then click on Personalize. From here, you can add a personalization token. Once done, click on Insert. You can also change these additional settings if you want. You can send the email or choose to schedule. You can also upgrade to Hub Professional to enjoy its additional features like workflow automation. HubSpot Marketing is suitable for businesses of various sizes and industries, and its goal is to provide a comprehensive set of tools to attract, convert, and retain customers through inbound marketing strategies. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.